To you, oh Lord, I lift up my soul. Oh my God, in you I trust. Let me not be put to shame. Let not my enemies exalt over me.
Indeed, none who wait for you shall be put to shame. They shall be ashamed
Who are wantonly treacherous. Make me to know your ways, oh Lord.
Teach me your paths. Lead me in your truth and teach me, for you are the God of my salvation. For you I wait all the day long, all the day long.
Remember your mercy, Lord,
and your steadfast love.
they have been from of old. Remember not the sins of my youth.
Oh, my transgressions,
According to your steadfast love, remember me for the sake of your goodness.
oh Lord. Lead me in your truth and teach me,
For you are the
God of my salvation.
oh,
For you I wait all the day long, all the day long.
remember your
Mercy, Lord,
oh,
and your steadfast love.
good and upright is the Lord.
He instructs sinners in the way,
Leads the humble in what is right.
and teaches the humble his way.
All the paths of the Lord are steadfast love and faithfulness.
For those who keep his covenant and testimonies.
For your name's sake, oh Lord.
Pardon my guilt, for it is great.
Who is the man?
Who fears the Lord?
Him will he instruct in the way he should choose.
His soul shall abide in well-being,
And his offspring
shall inherit the